Cool. Hey, oi, nice size mullet. Yeah, oi, it's humongous. It's a little on the George. Yeah. Oi. Oh my god.
They can break those white tip rods too.
Oh.
I don't know much about fishing, mate. No.
This is so cool, man. Pretty good size. Because we were catching half of this. Taking home here? We're taking home here?
Yeah, can we?
Yeah. Why not? All good. Let's measure this one. Oh my god, dang.
There's the measurement over there.
Ah, I have my own. यो कसरी गर्ने तपाईँ मेजर गर्नु त म यस्तो क्यामेराले देखाउँछु क्या Oh my god, my brother, he got one, a big mullet. How do you feel? Yeah. Aussies need
12 inches.
No, centimeter. We need to go. We need to go metric. And deep. 38 centimeter. Pretty good size mullet. Oh, the level of my excitement. Don't worry, I'll bring some water from there. From down there?
Yeah, just hold your hand and stuck the bucket in the water. That's what I
It's way down. I'll just get it from there. Yeah.